Can you introduce about yourself and your company, please?
Yeah, I'm Sudhansu Bhusan Prusty. I'm the founder of this organization, NeXHS Renewables. We started this organization way back in 2018, and we have grown in size and scale and doing mega projects in India and abroad. I mean, this is a unique platform we get every year to meet all the stakeholders of the wind energy, people from various wind sector and different kind of services they provide. So we started just with foundation, and we eventually move into tower, giving tower solutions, and then other components transportation in terms of blades, towers, and then we eventually came into the O&M services, we give services in terms of inspections, drone inspection, and then we move towards how to repair through without any human intervention. And then going forward in offshore, we are trying to address how this offshore industry is going to pan out in terms of O&M, and if we have this drone as a services for the initial inspections that can be done through a drone, and then we get all the information through the server, and then we generate the reports, and then finally once that report is generated, we will be able to give a repair solutions. And then we are coming up with some AI solution also in terms of design, how AI can help us in terms of design as well as various construction services, and in terms of drone services also, if the AI can support us, and we feel that this is going to be future, and that's how. And coming back to this cyber security also, we want this asset to be secured in a way it can, as you know, that there are some recent cyber attacks which can completely shut down the operations, and then we are coming up a certain solution in cyber security as well to safeguard these assets. And we are in fact increased our spectrum year on year. Basically, this last 7.5 years we have been evolving into various upgradation in terms of design, in terms of foundation, towers, and other components. In terms of foundation, we started with standard foundation, and we are evolving with 8-wall foundation, turtle foundation, rock anchor foundation, which with cost optimized solution in terms of concrete and steel. And then in hybrid towers, we no more go with traditional steel tubular tower, and then now we are coming up with concrete tubular sections, partly concrete tubular, and then over top of it we are going with steel sections. We believe that steel prices are quite volatile, and concrete prices are stable in India. And then seeing the cheap labor in India, we believe that this will help into the entire wind fraternity, wind sector, where we can reduce the capex and thereby reduce the levelized cost of energy. And we believe whatever solution we give are more innovative, and we are knocking off the traditional way of doing the design, and these assets are more managed, well managed through various controls, through control rooms, right from the sitting in the office. How we are also going to the next gen of operations, basically executing installation through mobile devices rather than through making it less labor intensive, and depending more into technology. So that's the way forward that we are looking towards this, giving various solutions to the wind fraternity.
So what is your objective of participating in Windergy 2025, and has that objective been met so far?
Yeah, we believe this is a place where the marriage happens between various stakeholders. In this wind, this is one of the biggest event that happens every year, and we have been participating not just as an exhibitor. We are sponsoring. We are also like a sponsoring this event. So this is one of the event which we feel that has a large crowd from various services in the wind sector. So we believe that this is a place where we can meet our old colleagues and from various people providing various services so that we can understand their problems, we can understand their services, and the marriage can happen only when both of us meet at a common platform. And this is one of the platform where we see a big crowd coming together and providing various objectives to us, and we are able to provide solutions right here, sitting here. And then when we go back to the office, then we will be flooded with a lot of queries regarding their various problems. So that's how, and in fact, this year we see the crowd even better than the last year, and hopefully it keeps continuing, and we benefit out of this the crowd that is coming and pouring in. Yeah.
So any feedback you have for the organizer?
Yeah, I think the one feedback that I want to give is like there are various halls now, and they are too far apart. And if there is a connection between this hall, I mean hall number 3 and 2 to the other hall, it becomes quite easier for us to traverse. And that's the only feedback that I have as of now. And nothing more. I mean, the crowd is growing bigger and bigger every year and year. So we are quite happy of this event, and PDA is doing a wonderful job, and hopefully they will do next year in mega scales, and we will love to see them here once again in Chennai Trade Center. And I don't know where you are going to do the next thing, but we will be happy to be here once again. And
Just one. So if I ask you to give me one word about this entire show, what would that one word be?
it is fabulous.